Tired of choppy gameplay and sluggish graphics? Let's unlock your gaming potential by forcing your PC to use its powerful graphics card. Most gaming PCs have two ways to handle graphics: the integrated graphics built into your processor, and a separate, much more powerful dedicated graphics card, also known as a GPU sometimes. Your system might mistakenly use the weaker integrated graphics for your games, leading to a less than ideal experience today. We're going to fix that. First, let's access Windows settings. Click on the Start button, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Within Settings, we're looking for the System category. It usually has a monitor icon. Click on System to open its options. Once in System Settings, navigate to the Display tab on the left-hand side now. Scroll down on the right-hand side until you find the option that says Graphics Settings. Click on that. Here in Graphics Settings, this is where the magic happens. You'll see an option under Graphics Performance Preference that says Choose an app to set preference. Click the drop-down menu next to it. For most game launchers and applications, you'll want to select Desktop App. This tells Windows you're about to specify settings for a traditional program installed on your PC. Now, click the Browse button. This will open up a File Explorer window, allowing you to locate the executable file for the game or application you want to optimize. Navigate through your computer's drives to where your game is installed. You're looking for the specific executable file, usually ending in .exe, that launches the game. Once you've found it, select it and click Add. After adding the game, it will appear in the list below. Now, click on the game's name in that list, and then click the Options button. A new window will pop up with graphics performance options. You'll see choices like Power Saving, your integrated graphics name, and High Performance. Select High Performance. This ensures your dedicated GPU will be used. Finally, click Save. Repeat this process for any other games or applications you want to give a boost. A quick restart of the game might be necessary for the changes to take full effect. You've now successfully instructed your PC to use its dedicated GPU for your games, leading to smoother frame rates and a more visually rich experience. Happy gaming!